What a week it has been. This week we managed to make profit of 76k on the $1 million account. For context, yes, it's a demo account, just for context. Anyways, this week 4 trades were taken. So if I go to the history and put in custom period from 6th to 10th, so we took 4 trades. We had 3 break-evens and 1 profitable trade of 7.6%. So right about now, I'm going to go onto the chart as well as my Telegram channel where I share all of my trades and my trading journal, just to show you guys all of these trades and how they played out. So I'm back on my screen, and these are the trades that I took this week. So this week started on the 6th. So we started with silver, XAGUSD. And just for context, this was posted on my channel, Trade with Mark. You can find the link in the bio, in the description. Just find it somewhere. It's going to be somewhere linked to this video. So this was the first trade I shared, GM brand new week upon us. And looking for shorts. Actually, I'd already executed the shorts position, so you can clearly see. I'm going to put, I already have the MT5 screenshot here, so I don't need to do any editing to include any other picture. But yeah, basically this was the trade. So if I go to my trading view, oh shit, this has not loaded yet. Yeah, so this is XAGUSD silver, and this trade was taken on the 4-hour time frame. So ideally I take my trades on the 4-hour, the 1 hour, and on the 15 minutes time frame, but I manage my trades on the 1 hour time frame strictly. So this was where I took the entry. If I just mark on the exact, where is it, short position, I believe this is it. Yeah, so this was the entry. So it's a limit play, so I waited for price to come back up here and then got tagged in. So in my journal you can see all the details here. Let me just scroll down. So yes, I forecasted this trade. Yes, this trade is my trading plan. I could afford to take the risk. And this is the before on the daily time frame. This is what I was seeing on the daily time frame. On the H4, this is what I was saying. And since I took this trade on the H4 time frame, there was no need for a 1 hour screenshot or a 15. Now, I got triggered out for break even on this trade because I chose my stop, and so I chose my stop to, I hadn't, which is something that I could learn from this trade. So here I said, would I take this trade again? Yes. But did I manage the trade according to my plan? No. So in the moment when trader sold out to about 1.2 R, I shouldn't have hesitated about trading my stop loss to break even and just follow my plan without hesitation. So I slightly mismanaged the trade and I walked away with minus 0.2 R. So I'm going to put a screenshot. Okay, no, I won't put, there's no, you can just go back to the beginning of this video and you see the screenshot of the trade, this particular XAGUSD trade. And then the next trade was on Euro NZD, which was also shared on the Telegram. So this is it, what am I saying? Euro NZD, as you can see, this was the entry. Let me see. Yeah, and this was me being stopped out for break even. So you can see, so this was also a break even trade on trading view. This was the same trade, Euro NZD. So this was taken on the 15 minutes in this case. There's a lot that went into this trade, but it didn't happen to commit. I was looking for it to commit to probably provide me with 5 to 6%, but it didn't, which is fine. Not every trade is going to commit. So this was it. It was running around 1.25 at max before it reversed. So for this particular trade, I trilled my stop to break even and got stopped out. So this is the journaled everything. If you guys don't know, journaling is literally one of the pillars for successful trading. This is something I've told myself I'm going to take very seriously this year, being in mind that I intend to trade larger sums of capital this year, and I just have to be professional about the whole thing. I'm trying to scroll down, what's happening? So something weird is happening. Okay, so yes, I forecasted this trade. Yes, this is my trading plan. Yes, I can take the risk. So on the daily time frame, this was what I was saying. On the H4, I had seen the structure I would usually take. I had seen my insurance entry on the 1 hour. I filtered it down to the 15 minutes, take the entry, and then this is after the trade. So yes, I'll take this trade. Yes, I managed it according to my plan, and no, I wouldn't do anything differently on this particular trade. The next trade was a short position also on NZD-JPY. So first 3 trades of this year, if you guys remember from last week's video trade recap, the Cardian trade was a break even. So 3 trades, 3 break evens. So this was the next trade I took on January the 8th, I believe. So as you can see, this was the look short entry. Now this was a very good entry, but there is a way I could have taken this trade which I journaled. So looking at NZD-JPY, this banked me 7.4%. so if I just open that here real quick, NZD-JPY, let me hide this. This is actually a missed trade for me. So the position was here. I'm just going to put this on right now. The position was here. It was taken on the 1 hour time frame, and short position somewhere around here. A 40 pip stop loss. I remember vividly. 14 pips, and managed this to the low. I remember I had some guys, some friends, some of them closed for 3.5, but I just managed it accordingly, and I got out for just about 7.5, 7.4%. Now in my journal, you can see I journaled, I entered on Wednesday, closed it on Friday. So if I scroll down, oh shit, Notion is very annoying sometimes. I'm not even going to lie. Scroll, oh shit. Let me see, because alright, yeah. So did I focus this trade? Yes. Is it my trading plan? Yes. Could I afford the weeks? Yes. And this was the daily. This was the 4 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame where I took the entry, and then the screenshot of after. So would I take this trade again? Yes. Did I manage to trade according to my plan? Yes. But is there anything I could do differently? Now this is it. In this case, I could have actually filtered an entry on the 15 minutes which made sense, and gets about an 8 pip stop loss. So I took a screenshot here, and the return would have been nearly double, so 14.4 hours. So if I zoom this in on the 15 minutes, the structure was cleaner on the 15 minutes time frame. And so taking something like this, let me zoom in a bit more. So it's taking something like this, having my entry on this candle, this retrace candle, and having an 8 pip stop loss. So yeah, that would have given me almost twice the return. So in the case of $1 million account, that's I'm risking 1% by the way, which is 10k. That would have been about a 140k profit. So this is it. My exit was at 88. So this would have been a 142k profit. Massive. Anyways, it's less about the profits and more actually about the process. So the last trade for the week, which you can see here, was on silver again, which was also a break even. I mean, this week was crazy, or January has been crazy. Break evens left, right and center, but it's all good. Break evens are better than losses. It doesn't really matter actually, as losses are basically landing on the wrong side of probability, and wins are basically landing on the right side of probability. So this was the trade on silver. Okay, I initially shared with the community that I just executed the trade, so this was it. If I zoom in, because when I executed the trade, and this was it on MT5. You can see I was in a bit of drawdown, and so this was the point where I moved to break even. So I was already running 1.2% in profit, and really and truly for this particular trade I was targeting about, first target was around the 4%. So I'm going to show you on the chart. So silver, remember we actually took the first trade, which was a break even, and so due to the failure of the short position, it formed the bullish a long position, which I executed. So where is this, the long? Yes, so this was it. So let me go up to the 1 hour time frame where I usually manage. Now I was looking at this to be enough to push price up to this level here, around 4%, and if it did carry on, then this was another potential 14% run, or let me just convert and say 12%. However, I was very okay with it running at 2%, leaving my stop loss to break even. So where is it? So at max it was running about 2.29%. So I was okay with leaving to break even. I didn't want to choke the trade by maybe locking in 1% and then it just tags me out and then continues going to the upside. However, the current price action has done what it wants to do, and I'm out of the trade for break even. So yeah, this is it. Journal already, and let's forecast this trade. What trade is this? Okay, no, I literally just woke up, looked at the chart, and I was like, just when I say forecast, I mean preparing for it at least 6 hours before. But this trade, I prepared for it literally in 15 minutes. So that's why I said I didn't forecast the trade. But in the moment, it made sense, and I think I made the right decision. So this is it. After screenshots, when I got taken out, would I take this trade again? Yes. That my trade according to my plan? Yes. And is there anything I would do differently? No. So that's that about the trades we took, or I took this week, all shared in the Telegram. There is actually a position which I missed also on NZDJPY, which I've journaled as well. So let me just quickly open that. So missed trade NZDJPY. So this trade would have actually still be running right now, and the reasons why I missed this trade, of course I'm not perfect. For this one I was not at charts, I didn't forecast, and I was not properly prepared. So this was a trade I was ready on Tuesday, the day I took the Euro NZD trade. I was focused more on that particular setup, and I didn't really prepare for NZDJPY. Now I look back at it, it was a very clean trade which I could have taken advantage of. Let me show you on the charts here. So NZDJPY, this would have been a 4-hour play. Entry would have been on the 4-hour time frame. So entry would have been on this rejection candle here, about the 35 pip stop, which is okay for something like this. So 35 pip currently to be running. This would be running about 5%, but the full target would be at this 90% low. So somewhere here for about 6.85%. So it's been a very crazy start to the year. Positions left, right, and center, and yeah, going into next week, looking to position more for better positions. So if you're not in the channel already, you can always come in here. I share all of my trades here. You can also leave a comment. I would appreciate that. Please do like and subscribe or follow me on my channel. Peace.